Hey, guess where I am? I'm in a little town outside of Nairobi called Karen. And in Karen, they have a special place called Kazuri Beads. And here they hand make beads. You know, you never really think about where beads come from. But right now, today, you get a chance to see how they're made, what they do from the beginning to the end. And oh, it is so fantastic. And you even get a chance to look at the shop where you can buy some when you come. This is the reason you need to come to Africa. There are so many secrets. And let me say this lady, I think she's from Europe someplace. I don't remember her name. But anyway, she was the one that started this as an idea to employ people. And there's about 50 people or more here, and they have a staff and they have health insurance and they make a living, and it's wonderful. And you can do the same. If you come to Africa, you can start something that will cause people to be employed, and it will be dynamic. So just don't think about just coming here to live and relax, but come here to start something. Yeah. Woohoo. Yeah. And see, these are only beads made out of clay. Just think. If you're in places like Tanzania and places that have gems, you can be making beads out of gems. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hey, I hope you enjoy it. All right. Oh, Warnett is here with me and another friend named Barbara. We're enjoying the day. We don't have to walk like I'm old. I am old, but I can walk. I just can't see.
Okay.
Okay, where are we going?
Now,
Uh-huh.
just listen. The place is called Kazuri. She's Kazuri because she's small and beautiful. It's a Kiswahili word. So Kazuri was started in 1975 by English lady called Susan Wood. So she started with 2 single mothers. Her idea was just to create work for the single mothers. Now it has grown from 2. Now they are 50. So they are coming from different slums here in Nairobi. Then they are being provided with medical insurance, and end of the month they get salary. So Philip, I'm here because I'm specialized in mixing the colors, the glazes, they paint the beads. So most of the beads, we make them here. We sell locally here in Kenya, about 7%. Then 30%, we export them to Denmark, Netherlands, Scandinavia. So we are going to see the process. Then you'll be taking pictures, whatever you want. So please come this way.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we stand here. We are using clay to make our beautiful beads. It's just local clay from around Mount Kenya, ceramic clay. So when the English lady started Kazuri in 1975 up to 1990, we were just using English clay from a place called Stoke in England. So now she had to bring Englishman who knows more about clay to come and discover good clay here in Kenya. That's why we are using our local clay from around Mount Kenya.
Oh, wow.
Then after we bring the clay here, we have to mix the clay with water, talc, and the silica sand. Then
And what else?
Silica sand.
Oh, wow.
Water, talc, and the silica sand.
Uh-huh.
Then after mixing, we have to sieve it to remove the impurities inside the clay. Then from there, now we squeeze the excess water out of the clay. That's why it comes soft clay like this one.
Uh-huh. And then
So before we start molding the beads, we have the molds to size the clay because we want our beads to be the same size. So she's doing the sizing here. Come close, come close, come close, come close, come close, come close.
To me, I'm close.
Okay. So now after You can see how she's making there, just using hands. And then she's going to make something like this one. And then after we make them, we are just going to sun dry them for 2 days.
Uh-huh.
Then after 2 days, we are just going to put them inside the kilns and bake them for 8 hours, 1060 degrees. Then the color of the clay, it will change to look like these ones.
Mm-hmm.
You see the difference?
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
color did it change to? You have to tell.
It has changed.
One is brown and they're both round, but one is tan, kind of taupe. Another one's white with the red markings.
So that's what they changed the color.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
The marking is just our size.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So it has changed the color because of the talc
Okay.
we mix the clay with.
Okay, but
Yeah.
clay is like what you would have if you would just do some molding.
Uh-huh.
You have a big mound of clay,
Uh-huh.
and then that's what they pinch and make let it touch it. See, that's the clay.
Uh-huh. Oh.
And then they take off pieces.
Oh,
And
wow.
Then they roll it into like a wiener, and then they
Cut it off.
they put it over that hole,
They put
and they press it down into the hole. The hole
Uh-huh.
got, they press it down in here and here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they press it down in here, and then they cut it off, and then
Oh, it shapes it. Yeah.
and then she shaped them just using.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
See, she's doing.
Uh-huh.
So we are using ceramic paints to paint the beads.
Oh, okay. Like we do making statues and things.
Yeah. So
Same kind
here,
of paint.
now she's
She's putting.
painting
She's
them.
putting.
Oh, wow.
These that have holes in it. She's putting it on a little stick, like a
And she's,
skewer.
uh-huh.
It's a wire.
The skewer, and then that's what we have a wire skewer,
Mm-hmm.
and then she's going to just see what she does.
She's going to dip them.
She's going to dip it into the color.
Yeah, the beads are porous, so
Yeah.
it will dry quickly.
Uh-huh.
And
Yeah.
what is the solution?
Then this is ceramic paints.
Okay,
Then
she dips it into the paint.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then after we paint them, we are just going to bake them again.
Okay.
Then the paint, it has glass inside.
Uh-huh.
It will melt, then they'll come out shining,
Right.
Uh-huh.
like
Yeah.
these ones.
It has glass
Yeah,
inside.
inside the
Mhm.
paint.
Is it liquid glass or something?
In powder form.
Powder form.
Yeah.
Now, she has a container, like a quart size, half a gallon size,
Uh-huh.
cut in half to like a like a bowl.
Uh-huh.
It's a little large, medium-sized bowl, and it has the tank in that, and that's what she takes the bead, puts it on the skewer,
Uh-huh.
and then she dips it into the paint. So she's gonna dip it into the paint. She put about maybe 15 beads, whatever fits on the skewer, and she dips it into the paint. And then she took it out, and she's waiting for it to finish dripping, and then she take them off and put them in the pile of the ones that's been painted. Yeah. And these, what are these?
These are for burning some of the earrings
Oh.
because there is no hole through it.
Uh-huh.
We've just put,
Oh.
there's a small
Okay.
hole. He just put it there
Okay.
And for
Like that.
earrings.
for the
Yeah,
earring. You see?
See, okay, here. Spill it, Janetta. Now, on top, watch it. On top is little pins
Wire.
straight wire sticking up.
Uh-huh.
Move your hand up here. Yeah, you feel it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Now, that's what she slides the beads on.
Oh,
For
okay.
the earring.
For the
For the
earrings.
earring. Because the hole is not gone through.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
yeah.
Come this way. Just hold me
I
here.
say she slid a bead on one of the little points sticking up. She slid a bead on to show. Yeah, not to show, but I guess maybe.
Yeah.
Yes, now that's the ones that haven't been painted yet.
Yeah.
Who did those?
There's a guy who does it,
Oh, he
but
does
but he's not around. He has gone on leave.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Then
So you just mold them just using
he
hand.
does that. Then he
He
brings
uses
it.
his hand to mold
He,
it.
he does outside there,
Uh-huh.
but he's not in today. He has started
Oh,
his
okay.
leave. Yeah.
It's a tray of elephants over there that have not been dipped into anything and have not been.
You see, that's the
glazed.
lion.
Oh, wow.
That's the lion.
He does this by hand?
By hands.
Oh, my God.
See, that's what I said. You learn to appreciate.
Yeah.
Because we don't think you don't think that you see that, but you don't know how much work goes into it. Yeah.
Boy.
Then we have napkin rings. This is not painted.
That's your ring when you put on a dinner table. Napkin.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That's napkin ring. The animals you can see there, she's repainting them.
Mm-hmm.
They did not pass quality control.
Oh, okay.
So now
she's repainting the animals because they did not pass quality control.
Yeah.
Who's the quality control person?
I'm going to show you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But she got a lot of little elephants. Didn't.
Yeah.
They didn't pass.
No.
Yeah.
She's doing quality control. Let's say you get 15 beads and 10 of them are not, 10 of them are good. Do you put 10 on there good or 5?
Reject.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is
This is quality control before we string the necklaces.
Yeah.
Good morning.
So now here we are stringing the necklaces.
Uh-huh.
So now we are given specific patterns to follow. Then we are using fishing line. You can touch the fishing line.
Yeah. Who helps design what you want?
We have Mrs. Morgan. She's the one who decides.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and that is such a pretty orange. That one's black and white with dots. Some of the beads have dots. Some of them have like a target. Like a thing where you're going to throw a target. Has the circle, has white background, and it has the circle black. Variety. This is beautiful. The variety of beautiful.
Well, that's good. So when you give your gifts, you can be able to describe to them how.
You mean to string them?
Yeah.
Okay.
But they can change them.
So
Something else.
And now that's
wow.
It's a fluorescent type black and it shines black and silver to the light.
Yeah.
To the light. Black and gold.
Yeah.
And when the light reflects it, they shine.
Oh wow.
The different colors in a different shade, black and gold, but they vary.
I told my great grands that I was going to.
In these drums, where we are mixing the clay with the water and the talc and the silica sand.
Oh, okay.
Then after mixing, we sieve it. Then after sieving, we have this machine. This is the filter press of the clay.
Okay.
It squeezes the excess water
from
out of the clay.
Yeah.
That's why it comes soft clay before we start molding the beads.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
This is a little bit, clay is different, or is it the same kind used for ceramics?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
We are doing ceramics.
Oh, you're doing ceramics too?
We are doing ceramics.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So everything here is ceramics.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're doing ceramic statues and things like that?
No. We are just doing beads, animals, napkin rings. Yeah.
Okay, you're not doing ceramic like birds and all that kind of stuff.
No.
Yeah. Sorry.
We also make Christmas tree decorations. You can touch this one.
Oh, they're making Christmas tree decorations.
Yeah, Christmas tree decorations.
I know my school. Yeah, that's what I was going to get for them.
I'm trying to figure out what this is.
Yeah.
There's a ball here.
Christmas tree decorations.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
They made Christmas tree decorations, one other.
Huh?
They made Christmas tree decorations.
Oh, yeah, I saw the Christmas tree inside. They had a Christmas tree inside. but nobody's painting them.
Not yet.
That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
But they don't have the African shape. You don't have an African shape.
No.
This is your home? This is
Now we take special care into looking at the bead. Now we take special care and looking at the bead.
Yes.
How much work goes into it? Never thought that.
Not even how much work goes to it, but the sacrifice that Mrs. Wood made to give these women a livelihood.
Well, that's why I told the ladies when we walked away, I told them thank you. You know, because the fact is that they're doing such a beautiful job.
Yeah.
And it's just so we've been so not really
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So when we give them away as gifts, they're going to better appreciate it.
Yeah.
They're going back.
Yeah.
Well, let me ask you
Mrs.
something. Do
Woods
you
wanted
do the beads
to be
for the hair?
countrywide everywhere where you
We were doing it there before, but nowadays we have hair clips.
Help them to
Yeah, we have the hair clips. I'll show you
The hair clips.
Yeah.
Because we have been looking for
Okay.
beads for the hair.
Okay.
Because I have two little granddaughters that are about 5 years old.
Okay.
And as we braid their hair, we want to put something on the ends.
goes into it.
So you got any extra ones
Enjoy
from
yourself.
years ago?
I'll show you what we have. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's what you try to do when you come over.
Yeah.
You do it. We need to do it more. That's what the chicken's about. You people a livelihood.
It's people, you want to barber, right?
Yeah.
Barber was talking about the necklace shaped like Africa, but they don't make that.
Oh, yeah.
And it's metals.
Uh-huh. Hey, this is Janetta, and you're watching Africa Speak